Vanakkam Makale, hope everyone are doing good. And yeah, what you are seeing is real. நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறது real தான், real இல்ல, unfiltered. It just shot on S23. It's a beautiful waterfall. It's called Glencar Waterfall at County Leitrim. So County Leitrimன்ற ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்க ஒரு க்யூட்டான waterfall. It's not like massive, but it's so beautiful. ஏன்னா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு லேக் இருக்கு, ஒரு குட்டி ட்ரையல் இருக்கு, parking and then cafes, and then look at that view, man, you will never regret it. Also on the beautiful forest, woods எல்லாம் பாருங்க, like Jurassic Park மாதிரி இல்லை. So always make a note or just put it in your checklist or like bucket list, whatever. Make sure to visit. I think this time of the year is beautiful, but even summer is better. I hope you enjoyed. So see you next time. Take care.